Hello everyone is welcome today. In this video, you have seen the ending topic of today's video because how is it okay with BICE's payment policy? And if the suspicions payment policy is fine then keep some things in your mind which is a very simple and way to avoid the suspicions payment policy from the item policy. If you follow up on those things and not RSS pieces payment policy and under what conditions if suspicious payment policy comes, then its solution becomes very simple. The first thing to do is round use. Try whatever Gmail usage. If you use Gmail for at least 3 months or 3 months old Gmail, then the chances of getting all pieces payment policy are reduced by 70%. Second thing, as soon as any Google ad you create on Gmail, the first thing to do is go to the billing and by setting up there will be some amount in it. If you are running the amount of India, then the amount of India if you are running, then what do you do in India's account? Terms and 500 Indian rupees, 1000 put whatever 500, 100, whatever you do. Put the amount if you put the amount of 500 Indian rupees 1000, then there is absolutely no chance of your policy coming. Okay, now despite that, if the payment policy comes, then what do you have to do? You will click on the contact details of the payment policy you have received from CSSP. Well, what do you have to do after clicking in contacts? Let me tell you that you are doing your business here in a sensitive country. If there is pain in India, put it in India. Sir, what is the main jam of people like you business model? If paper remains, then brother put paper ball. This is my business model. You are doing your business. Enter the domain you are using, like my domain. Enter the black head class. Okay, please provide the brief description of your business model. We generate reports and bookings for our clients, such as washing machine appointments and astrology readings. All acceptors acetators should be taken, even if by mistake. We don't know the specifics and it is not acceptable. These are the payment instruments. I, the agency, or the company ask if you have any additional information. If not, please confirm and click here to submit. It is a very symbolic thing that brother, if I want to avoid suspension, then we have to use everything in such a way as if on Google. Man, this guy is doing things perfectly. He is using absolutely perfect things. It's not foolish at all. If no one is making then a wrong Google plan, will suspend the account of the app and you are doing very well. Still have your account. Is it getting suspended again and again? Go to the support session and somehow make it so that you will talk to Google's customer care on the phone twice, talk 3 times. If your account has been blown due to unacceptable business practice or any big reason on the phone 2 to 3 times, one of your online accounts will be suspended and this is my guarantee and talk about your experience. So what do you have to do? You need to talk to their customer care frequently. You have to appeal and not provide the things they are asking for. You have to provide from sunny ton and whatever happens to your account will be unsuspended. We also made a lot of airline calls. Our announcements were also made. Okay, so both of us went ahead without spending the on announcement. Well, it means that many rounds have been suspended by us. We have run them by unsuspending them and the village has gone very well in our village. You have this gown with flight booking. This is also ours. Then we have run the account. If we have generated leads from there, then what should you also do? Now he repeatedly called customer care to get his things solved and his account arranged. Hope also like this video I understand you will be able to understand how you must unsuspend yourself and proceed. I hope you understand the process. Thank you very much for your attention.